Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashda Suhail and I am from 170 Software Section 1. My project title is Flying Bird. Flying Bird is basically a game. It is a canvas-based application and it is created in Java language. And the platform used to create this application is Android Studio. In this game, blue and black balls are located randomly. The bird has to collect those blue balls along with protecting itself from the black balls. If the bird hits the blue ball, then points will increase, and if it hits the black ball, then 1 life out of 3 lives will be wasted. There are basically 3 levels in this game. In level 1, the bird has to collect the blue balls and save itself from the black ball. In level 2, the number of black balls will increase. In level 3, speed of black balls will increase. When the game over, the points that you scored along with the high score will be displayed. Now let's see how the application works. Now in GameView class, we extend SWE, which allows us to draw the bird, blue black balls, background score level, and here we set the backgrounds out as well. In on-draw method, we are creating the bird. Set the background image and the bird position to fly. Now this is basically level 1 in which we draw black ball, and when the game is over, it moves towards another screen. In level 2, number of black balls will increase, and in level 3, the speed of assignment of black ball will increase. Now here we set the score as well as the life of the bird is drawn. Hit check method will check that if the bird hits the ball. Game over method will call an intent so that result class will appear indicating that the game is over. And on touch method will work when the user touches the screen, and if the bird is going down, then decrease the bird speed. Now basically in sound class we use sound pull, which is used to play short repeating sound. So here the play hit sound method will play the sound when bird hits the blue ball, and play over sound will play the sound when bird hits black ball. In result class, to store the highest score, we use shared preferences. Now shared preferences basically allow us to store small amount of primitive data. So that's all about my project. Thank you.